What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I want to share with you what you can expect from a carpet warranty when you're out shopping for carpets. Now, I have a lot of clients that want a higher end product and they get hung up on the warranty on the back of the carpet. They say, well, I want a lifetime warranty, I want a 25-year wear warranty, I want a 20-year warranty. Don't get hung up on these too much, because here's the reality of this. I'm going to break this all down in a minute. First things first, why are you so hung up on a 20-year, 25-year, or a lifetime warranty? Once upon a time, my parents, your grandparents, whatever, had carpet in their house for 20, 30 years. All right, those days are long gone. You should shop for carpet to have it in your house for anywhere from 7 to 10 years in all reality, because we want to keep up with the Joneses. You want to freshen up your place. You're not going to buy a product and keep it in your house for 30 years. That's insane. It's gross. It's going to get grimy, full of dust, no matter how well you clean it. So don't get caught up on a 20, 25-year lifetime warranty when you should be swapping it out every 7 to 10 years. Next, let's dive into warranties here. Just because you bought a better product that has a better warranty on it doesn't mean you're going to have it honored down the road. The vast majority of cases with carpet warranties breaks down like this. You buy a carpet product and you have it in your house for 3 years or so, and then you say, wait a minute, this is starting to break down. I don't like this. It has a 20-year wear warranty. I want it replaced. If you stomp your feet and fight and scream, blah, 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 you get your company out that you bought it from, they come out, they bring the reps out. The reps are going to say, well, you didn't steam clean this twice a year or once a year, whatever the warranty said. Do you have the receipts for that? Did you walk across it with bare feet? Did your dog walk across it? Did your dog pee on it? All these little things they're going to use to say, well, that actually voids the warranty, so we can't help you. Here's how to keep your warranty good to go. You buy a carpet. Within the first year, you would know if your carpet's defective or not. If you bought a decent product and it's matting, or the fibers are pulling out of it, or just something's not right with the product, you're gonna know within year one, and you need to make a call and run a claim within year one. Because if it's legit, the mill will actually replace it, and they pay the installer to come back and everything's covered. No questions asked, it's a beautiful thing, everything's good. Anything after year one, they're gonna go ahead and have the argument, well, what's your lifestyle like? How did you treat the carpet? Did you maintain it? Are you a slob? You know, and they won't say that to you, but let's be real, that's what they're saying. So anything they can do to avoid honoring the warranty, that's what they're gonna do. So any product you buy goes bad within the first year, except for total junk carpet, which we all know will start to go bad in the first year. Anything within the first year, make a call to your store. If something doesn't seem right, have them come out and inspect it. If it is legit, they will bring a rep out to go ahead and verify it, and then everything's replaced. Anything after that, you got a tough battle ahead of you. Just being completely real, and it's my experience in the business. There are a couple of carpets out there, I'm told, no matter what they'll warranty them, I have not been in the position of having a claim against those yet, so I can't say if they actually live up to it or not. But over 21 years in the game, that's how it goes down. That's my experience. Now, if you've had a different experience with this, please comment below. Let me know if you've had warranties honored 3, 5, 7 years out in the game, and what the experience was, what the strategies were, things like that. I'd love to hear about it. But other than that, that's what you could expect from this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.